Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard wax. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/8 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 1/8 cup of warm water. Also, have a medium-sized pot, a spoon for stirring, and a heat-safe container ready for your finished wax. Safety first, so ensure your workspace is clear. Next, let's cook our wax. Pour 1 cup of granulated sugar into your pot, followed by 1/8 cup of lemon juice and 1/8 cup of warm water. Place the pot on medium-high heat. Stir the mixture constantly to ensure even cooking and prevent it from sticking or burning. Keep stirring until it reaches a rolling boil and transforms into a beautiful golden brown, syrupy consistency. Once your wax achieves that perfect golden brown, syrupy look, immediately remove it from the heat. It's crucial to continue stirring for a few more minutes as it begins to cool. This helps prevent it from hardening too fast. To check for the right consistency, carefully drop a tiny amount onto a cool surface. It should be pliable and sticky, not brittle. Finally, it's time to pour and store your creation. Once the wax has cooled slightly but is still pourable, carefully transfer it into your heat-safe container. Let it sit undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, allowing it to fully cool and harden. For best results and longevity, store your finished hard wax in an airtight container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.